Okay, hello. So today I'll be showing you how to add grading system on your learning space on CloudNote. And trust me, these steps are very easy. So I just want you to be patient and follow me. So if you miss any part of the video, do well to watch it again. Okay, so first of all, we are going to go to our settings. Our settings is located on the main menu. So I'm going to click on my settings. And right on my settings, I'm going to be clicking report sheet because our grading system is found on the report sheet. The grading system is just a way for students, teachers, parents to be able to know how marks are allocated or how grades are allocated to the student. So first of all, I have to click on my grading system right on my report sheet. I'm going to be clicking on add new grading system. Now, this is what we have here on our add new grading. So first, I'll be picking a class. I'll be working with JS1B, and I'll be picking the term that this is applicable to. So I'll be picking first term. What assessment? If you are confused about assessment, there's a video already on how to create more assessment on your learning space. So I'm going to be clicking midterm assessment, or I can say this is applicable to all the assessments I have on my learning space. So what is next? Next is the grading system. How do I define a student that scores A or a student that scores B? What are the range? What are the marks? What are the points allocated to such grading system? So what I have to do now is to fill in the necessary information here. So I'm going to start with this from 0 to 55. I'm going to grade this as F. Okay. And I'm going to use a black color for it. And what is my remark? My remark for F is fail. Okay. So my comments, my principal comments, I'm going to leave it on automatic. My form teacher's comments, I'm going to leave it open so that they can also enter their comments. So I can add as many grading systems as I want. And now I'll be adding 4 more grading systems. And how do I do that? All I need to do is to click on add grading system. And once I do that, another set of grading system comes up. Now we have one set here, which is the one that has the F on it. And I have another set here, which I'm going to be putting as E. So my E is starting from, let's say, 56 to 60. 56 to 60. So I'm going to name this F, and my remark for this will be very poor. Very poor. So I'm going to add more. Remember I said I'm going to add 4, so I'm just going to keep adding more to it. So I'm going to be adding D now. My D should come from 61 to 65. And I'm going to be naming it D. What's my remark for D? My remark for D should be poor. So once I'm done, just keep adding more. Just keep adding more. I'm going to use C for this. My C should be 71 to 80. And my remark for this should be credits. One last one to go, or let's add 2 more to it. Let's add 2 more to it. So I have my B here. Sorry, I have my B. Yes, my B is coming from 81 to 90. I'm going to be naming it B. My remark is going to be good. Let's say very good. Okay, the last one I'm going to be adding now is the A. I'm going to be adding the A. So my A is going to come from 81. Let's just say, for example, 81 to 100. Okay, let's say 81 to 95. I'm going to say A here, and my remark for A will be very good. Okay, so let's go through it from the beginning. So first of all, we selected the class, we picked the term that is applicable to, we pick the assessments that it's applicable to, that this grading system is applicable to. Then we started with F. we added 5 grading systems, or rather 6 grading systems to our learning space. Added 6 grading systems to our learning space. And once I'm sure of what I've created, all I need to do is to click on create grading system. And automatically my grading system has been created successfully. So let's take a look at it and see how it looks here. So first term, there's 1B. This is the grading system that I have created. And if I want to delete any grading system, all I have to do is to click on this delete button and it wipes it off. If I want to edit any grading system, all I need to do is to click on this pencil-like icon and it will give me the privilege to edit. So let's try this. Let's edit and see how it looks. Let me change this to 44 and 60. 44 to 60. And when I'm done, I'm just going to say update grading system, and automatically it has been updated. So these steps are very, very simple. These steps are very, very simple. So if you have any questions, you can drop them on the comment sections, okay? And do well to subscribe so that you can stay updated whenever we drop a video. Thank you and do have a lovely day.